just got a little something in the mail. So this is from District Leather Supply, and I believe there's some real good stuff in here. There's quite a few things in here. We'll have to go through it kind of fast. All right, what's this? Oh, yeah. Got a Vinimo thread color chart. DLS has the best selection of thread, hands down. Every color you could possibly want. And with Vinimo thread, you can use it for hand stitching and in your machine. Ooh, yeah. It's a skiving plate with our logo on it. You can use this for skiving or any kind of detail work where you don't want your cutting mat to mess up the leather. Because it'll just give you a really nice smooth surface every time. Next up, I'm really excited for these. Bill had these sitting on his workbench when I was down there, and I was like, man, why aren't those on the website? And he's like, they will be soon. So they officially are on there. It's basically an edge applicator. You can use it for toconal, you know, any kind of burnishing agent. You could probably use it for dye, the same way I've been using my paint markers, but it's got a really nice clean round tip on there that'll be really nice for edges. No leather shop should go without one of these. Really good for getting adhesive off your leather without ruining the leather. It just creates enough friction to rub the adhesive off and just leave a real clean seam. The rub bar. What else we got? Oh yeah. Starting to get into some Palo Santo stuff now. This is a beautiful Japanese style knife. I love this knife so much. You can use it for kind of stamping out straps. This is really just a good all-around utility knife. Just one of those things you want to have sitting out on the workbench anytime you got a project going. This is another beautiful tool by Palo Santo, stitching awl. I love the ergonomics of it, how it fits in your hand. It's still really small, but it just fits in your palm a little bit better than other ones I've used. But man, the quality of his tools are just unreal. All right, more Palo Santo stuff. What do we got? We got a number 2 edge beveler. Number 1. We got a nice little array of bevelers and skivers. These French skivers are really nice. I got a size 12 and size 8. And I've never actually had one of these, so I'm really excited to start using those. One thing I love about these Palo Santo tools is that these tips are replaceable. So you can just stick a little Allen wrench in there. And if one breaks for whatever reason, replacements are going to be available. So that makes it worth the investment right there. Oh yeah, I left this in his break room last time I was there. Thanks, Bill. Thread zapper. Oh, this is nice. Smooth. This is an edge paint roller, something a little different from what I've been using. I'm excited to try this out. These are some little squeeze bottles with a really precise nozzle on it. That could be useful for a lot of things. I'm probably gonna try it out with my adhesive. Some replacement tips for the edge applicator. Yeah. So this is a tool that helps you punch out faulty rivets. If you need to replace one or one's kind of breaking but they're hard to get off, you can use this to punch it through. So I'm excited to have this in the shop. This is gonna come in handy. These are some adhesive applicators that I'm really excited to use. You can get a much more even and clean coat of adhesive on your leather. I've seen a lot of people using them. They look nice, so I'll try that out. Here we go. I think it's finally time to throw away all my barge cement because I've got some Aqualoom 315. This is free of solvents. It's water-based. It won't give you a headache when you're using it, but it's also really strong. This is by a company called Rainia, and they're actually District Leather Supply's neighbor, so they've kind of been working together a lot. Okay, then we got some Aqualoom SG. Looks like this is another water-based adhesive, and I believe this stuff is a non-permanent bond. I remember reading on Bill's website, it's something along the lines of like sticky note adhesive, not permanent, just helps assist keep things in place while you're trying to sew something together, but it won't be completely permanent. So that will be really useful in a lot of cases. And then this stuff, this is called Flesh Finisher by Fenice. I've seen this stuff work a few times. I watched Bill use it in his shop. At the maker meetup, he basically passed around a few pieces of leather to show what it can do, and I was amazed. Basically, if you have a piece of leather that has a real fleshy side, you know, the fibers are popping up, it looks messy, you can use this flesh finisher. You basically just apply it on with a paintbrush or a rag, and I think you can get away with just doing 1 or 2 coats, and it gives you just a beautiful, smooth, pasted side. And of course, you never get a package from DLS without a little Jolly Rancher. So this is, I think, 1 of 3 packages that I have coming from DLS. I also have some leather coming, and my DLS shop boots. I'm not sure if I'll do an unboxing on YouTube for those, but I'll probably do it over on Instagram. So if you want to see that, go follow me on Instagram. Well, I guess I'm going to spend some time playing around with this stuff for a little bit. And keep in mind, I'm going to have a link down below for everything that I got here. Those are affiliate links, so we'll get a little kickback, and you know how much we appreciate that. I know this video is a little bit out of ordinary. Most of you are here for the projects, but you know I'm excited to share all this cool stuff that I got from District Leather Supply. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next project video. Bye.